How to invite friends on Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily invite friends on Temu. Now this is how you can send the invitation link, or how you can refer your friends, or how you can invite your friends. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up your Temu app, and there you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now in my case I'm already logged in, but it might take some time to load up. Now you can see it's loaded up. Now here, what you want to do is, if you head into you option here, you won't get any option to invite friends. As you can see, the trick here is, what you want to do is, at the home page, at the search bar, you want to search for redeem, redeem. You can see redeem. You want to simply search for it, and as you search for it, this should pop up here. You can see redeem coins or refer friends to spin again, so you'll get a chance to get a free spin every time you invite a friend. So here you can see refer friends options. Tap on refer friends option, and now here you can either copy the link, copy the code, or send it through message, or you can send it through Messenger, Snapchat, or any platform, social media platform that you want. I'll simply send it on Messenger, and once you type it on Messenger and once you send it here, you can see it's sent. And if I open up Messenger here now, and if I open up this particular chat, you can see the invitation has been sent. So this way you can invite a friend on Temu, and if they download and open the account using that link, then you'll be able to get a free spin here. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.